Welcome to video 5 in our FB Cash Accelerator video tutorial series. In this video, we're going to cover our Skype features. Now, before we get started, let me first say that right now, at the time of this recording, these Skype features are in beta. They're not going to work for everybody. As of right now, if you have Windows 7 64-bit, there's a 50-50 shot that these Skype features are going to work for you. So with that said, let's get started. You see right here we have this S. That is our Skype button. So you can toggle Skype on and off just by clicking this button. We also have our debug features. So right now we just logged on to Skype. We also have additional features like making a call. So we can make a Skype call. Let's close that out. And okay, so that brings up our Skype. So and you'll notice that we have this box over here, the duration of the call, and you'll see the little timer. That if you have a VA or you're making calls yourself, this will tell you how long you've been on the phone with this particular client. Once you're finished with the call, you can click hang up, and that's going to bring up a whole host of new options for you. Let's take a look at the first one, call back. If you click on call back, that's going to bring up our schedule. Now, all you have to do is select the date that the person would like to be called back or the business would like to be called back. You click the date, and then that's going to give you the option to select the time. So we can just go down, click the time. Then we go ahead and click on the minutes. So we have the hours, we have the minutes. So at 10:35, I'm going to call back this company. I click apply. That's it. Let's show you a couple more examples. Let's do another quick call. Then I'll hang up because I don't actually want to make a call through Skype at this moment. But let's say it was an actual sale call. So I ended the call. I have a sale. I can click on sale, enter the amount. I can click on do not call back. I can click on I received an answer machine, not interested, wrong number. We have hung up, no pitch, meaning they hung up before I got to deliver my pitch. There was no answer, disconnected phone number, or the number was busy. So for this client right here, we already put in a callback. So let's take a look at that. Let's say that we have a sale. We'll just put that in real quick. Click OK. Or that they were busy. That's fine as well. We can also bring up our calendar and take a look at any of these dates. You can see the 17th now. We have an appointment. If we needed to change that, we could change it, or we can click cancel, and that will just keep it there. If we click it again, that gets rid of our calendar. And we can also go right here and put in the notes. Hi, Joe. Now, as I showed you or talked to Joe, you can click any of these fields right here, put in, if any of this information is missing, you can put in the information or change the information and then just click enter. Now, if we had the phone script right here, you'll see Joe Miller. If we need to change the name to John Miller, you'll see just like that, the name got changed to John Miller. We can put a call on hold. We can actually three-way call as well as answer any incoming calls right from inside our contact list in FB Cash Accelerator. Now, you also have the option if you're working with a VA, you can right click on this email icon. You can set up a regular contact, which I already did. I put in our email address or my email address, and I put in any subject line. In this example, I put in, I made a sale. You click apply, and then anytime that your VA either makes a sale, sets an appointment, whatever it might be, they can just simply right click and then hit send to regular contact, which in this case would be you and your email address. That's going to bring up your default email client with the subject and your email already filled in. We're going to add additional token support and give you the ability to put in a different message. So again, these features are in beta. Now, I showed you how to make a call using our Skype features. So let's close this out and take a look at the information in our grid. You'll see here that the last action that we had was busy. We went ahead and put in the time that we called, how long the call lasted. Now this was our last call. You'll see that we skipped several listings as I was showing you the data. So we skipped over several of these listings. That's what the skip is for. That lets you know that no call was attempted. It was just skipped over. So this is great information to have if you're paying a VA to make calls for you. You can see exactly, did they skip the calls, how long the calls lasted, the results of the call. In this example, they were busy. Let's go ahead and do another one. We'll pick this business. All you have to do in the grid, again, is click any of these records. And then when you open up your contact list, it's going to be on that record. So, okay, there's our contact list. Yeah, it's still cached from a different website address I had in there before. So, this right here is our contact list. We're going to make a call. We're going to hang the call up. We're going to, and this time, set the callback. Now this is a 24-hour clock if you haven't noticed. So that is actually 1 o'clock. So 1300 is 1 o'clock. So this company wants me to call them back at 1:30. We'll hit apply. Now if we close this out and we go over to our grid, you'll see here that we have a callback for November 16th at 1:30. So it's that easy to use, all these additional features. Now quickly, we do have another feature that is in beta at the moment, and that is our VA assistant. If you notice, we have the two people icon here. If you click on that, that's going to bring you up our VA assistant. So I'm going to close this real quick and show you how it works. I'm going to take every listing that I have and delete them. Then I'm going to go over to our VA Assist. You're going to be able to clock in and clock out your virtual assistant, so you'll know the hours that they're actually working here at your computer or at their computer. You'll be able to set a unique virtual assistant PIN number. You just click apply. Then once you have that information in there, you can upload by clicking send all of your leads, and that will get put on your server. Then when your VA wants to retrieve those leads, they can simply enter in the virtual PIN number that you give them. They'll click retrieve, and right here is our leads. So it's that easy to get leads to your VA to contact without giving them the ability to collect the leads themselves. So they can only call or contact what you give them. So you don't have to worry about them going behind your back or getting leads on their own and selling them or anything like that, because you can scrape the leads yourself and then upload it to a server what leads you want them to call, and then they can retrieve the leads, and then they can upload these leads again, okay, with all the additional information after they make the call, any callbacks, uh, stuff like that. And then you can retrieve that data and then put it in Excel or any other spreadsheet by simply exporting. This right here is FBcast Accelerator, some of the beta features. I'm hoping to do another couple videos here in the near future on any additional features that we put in, because we are always putting new features in. So expect a couple more videos as well as a couple more updates here shortly. If you have any questions, please send me a support ticket, and I will be more than happy to get you all set up, make sure that you're using the software correctly, and getting as many leads as you can possibly get. Take care.